Do you know Google? Google knows you. Not only do they know you, they care. Hi, I'm Dhanika, and welcome to this week's Amenitiz. This week, we're going to talk about Google Hotel Search, right? So Google has a new tool on the rise, and if you use it correctly, it will mean more direct bookings and lower commissions for you. How do you use it correctly? Well, as coincidence would have it, we have a blog article just written about just that. Link in the description, and be sure to subscribe. Not only that, we can hook you up with one of our experts directly. Link to that in the description as well. And you can ask them how you can get involved in the whole process, from setup to maintenance, what KPIs to watch out for. Oh, and make sure you ask them how you can utilize it to increase your direct bookings and lower commissions, because they know and they want to help you. We can also help you actually save some money on energy in the coming months, right? Just check out this video we made right here. See you next time.